Well, here's something we don't see every day, a 1970 Buick GS 455 Ram Air. They only made about 1,300 convertibles altogether, so you don't see them today. The GS 455 is designated right in the VIN number, whereas compared to a Chevelle, that wasn't. So you know what you're buying here. And in addition to that, we do have literature, the warranty booklet, and here's a build sheet. They're in pretty old condition, but it's got it. But really, it's all right in the VIN number anyway. We have pictures of the body off frame restoration. This happens to be VIN number matched motor and transmission, factory flame red with the pearl white interior. Pretty special deal. A lot of Buicks had bench seats. A lot of them had those green and gold colors and brown that was popular back then. So we got a pretty special car. A red with white interior, number match, frame off restored, 1970 GS 455 convertible. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find a price tag on this one and a couple hundred more classic cars all for sale, and each will have a monthly payment as well. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. Great looking car. I bought it down in Florida. I'm looking at a red piece of glass here. It has these little bumps on the hood. Those are actual Ram Air scoops. The air goes in right into the engine. But this is absolutely laser beam straight. I mean, really, really straight. Gaps line up. It is smooth along the bottom. It has sport mirrors. Excellent, excellent body. Smooth and straight. Oh, it shuts like a new car. Someone did incredible body work. This is fantastic. Laser straight, not a bubble. It has a hairline crack. You know, this is where there's a seam and the convertibles flex. There's a hairline crack, and there's a crack on that side. They've added the GSX spoiler to it. Oh, it looks like there's a little glue running down here. We'll clean that off. All excellent, clean, straight. Side of the car is absolutely straight, and it does have that crack. It's a little worse on this side. It's just, you know, right here where the seam is. All of this is clean, even right up tight around the molding. Some people ask, well, why is he touching the car? Because I might feel something that I don't see. All this lines up real nice, square, smooth, all real nice. Shuts real nice, clean, straight. So the body is excellent. The paint is like red glass, has them two hairline cracks. This one's a little bigger than a hairline crack. It's just in the paint. Early heads-up display. It's a factory tachometer. You see it through the windshield. Up front here, the grille is in really nice shape. All the chrome and trim and stainless, whatever it's made out of, it's all shiny and straight. The grille for a GS is unique. Emblems are real nice. The GS 455 has red stripes down here. A GS 350, I believe, has black stripes. Windshield's crystal clear. The stainless trim is excellent. Everything up here is real nice. The rubber window seals, door handles are mint. The weather strips are all excellent. Has a white power convertible top. There's pictures on our website. Back here, bumpers rechromed. This piece here, a lot of times is pitted real badly. That's in real nice shape. Tail lights are excellent. Got the little rubber fillers in here like it's supposed to. 15-inch chrome wheels. They're the nice wide Buick mags. They're in really nice shape. If you get down close, right in the groove, there's a little bit of, rust right in there, but standing here, I would call them new. 15-inch VF Goodrich tires. All right, let's open it up, see what the inside's got for us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. In addition to some really fantastic cars, we post showroom walkthroughs, we go through our shop, we do test drive videos. Now inside this trunk, beautiful paint. Yeah, whoever painted this entire car did a great job. The latch, the sticker, everything looks really nice. The bolts. And then the jamb is just as clean. The weather strip is replaced. Really nice clean metal on this car. Inside this trunk is spotless. convertibles had a tendency of leaking water underneath that rubber mat, and it would just rust them out. This is clean. They might have left the mat out on purpose to keep it dry. Has a jack assembly, but no spare. New well liner that the top goes into. And when you visit our website, volocars.com, you can spend a lot of time on there. Make sure you check out the museum side of it too. It's family business since 1960, and all of our profits from the car sales goes into building the museum, and it's really become something pretty special. Jambs are slick, the bottom of the doors clean. Pearl white interior door panels are replaced. The armrest pads are replaced. It all looks to be in real good shape. This whole dash area is very nice. Dash pad is excellent. The plastic and all this trim looks to be original, but very good, not beat up or abused. Power top switch. Original radio works. I tried it as I was pulling the car in. All this is clean and tidy. New glove box liner. Interior lights work. Nice kick panels, nice reproduction mats over new carpet. Center console's in really nice shape. Very nice, actually, original. Pearl white seats, feel like they got new cushion. They're upholstered real nice, they're not wrinkled. Now the headrests, they've been re-dyed, and it looks like the paint's nicked up, and I'll show you why. When it swings forward, it hits the steering wheel. That's exactly why that happens. All this is nice and clean. You got the mats. You got seat belts for everybody. This is a family car. You throw the kids in here and you go cruising for the day, and everyone's going to enjoy themselves. Side panels, armrests, the convertible top boot was all replaced, and it all matches. It's all same color upholstery. It's got a sport wheel. Original mirror. Visors are probably new. So very nice interior. And this white interior stays a lot cooler. That's a real thing. You sit in a black interior when the top's down in the summer, you'll burn yourself. Now these were known to have lots of torque. It's a 455 motor. It is numbers matching. And I want to show you real quick over here. The numbers are in between the spark plugs. We go out of our way to verify. We can put pictures on our website. I buy cars from people and they say, yeah, numbers match. I'm like, okay, have you checked them? Well, no, that's what the last guy told me. We actually verify that stuff. So back to the engine. It's all stock. It runs strong. I was told it was rebuilt. It runs like it's rebuilt. This is part of the ram air. It forces into the engine. Chrome valve covers, stock manifolds. All of that's clean and proper. And then the whole engine bay, all nice, smooth, clean metal. Has the original overflow bottle, spring clamp, well, one spring clamp cable, the other one is replaced. All the components and pulleys and brackets, everything's nice. The shroud looks nice. And we got power steering. Got power brakes, wiper motor, probably replaced, has a sticker on it still. Under the hood's clean, has the hood insulation. Yeah, very nice looking engine compartment, number match 455, and 70 was the peak year for horsepower. So this is the one collectors want. Michael's going to show you what she's got.
Top is down, time to go for a cruise. Really cool, kind of sweetheart of a car here. It's the 70 GS, the 455 under the hood. I'm excited for this one. I can't wait to feel the torque. 510 foot-pounds of torque is what this one's rated at originally. Got power steering, power brakes, power top. This is going down the road real nice. Don't forget, we check all these cars out. We got a professional team of mechanics that goes ahead and does an inspection on these cars. Seems like this one, they fixed an issue with the speedometer and tachometer. They got those working the right way. And then, what was it? The high beams, I think they replaced. So just real minor issues when we got this car. And yeah, we'll talk more in a minute. Let's see what this 455 got. Wow. Actually, it's so smooth, I didn't even realize that we were doing like almost 70 by the time I looked down. Yeah, real nice rubber, super smooth all the way around. Yeah, just a great cruising car. All that torque, I mean, you could you could uproot a tree with all that torque. I swear, it's just a great motor all the way around. Super rare car, rotisserie restoration. I think only about 1,100 of these made ever. 1,200, something like that. But yeah, this one with the restoration that's on it, it's a very nice car. So it runs and drives super smooth. So definitely no disappointments in the ride on this one. Of course, we got the functioning ram air, and then we got the if you want to call it the heads up tachometer there on the hood. All that's working. I always like having that tach up there. It's one of my favorite options, definitely, from these Pontiacs and Buicks. So yeah, if you want to test drive it yourself, contact anybody in our sales department. Joey or Eric will be more than happy to go ahead and arrange that for you, help you guys out, answer any questions you may have. You want to, if you need to drive in, we're an hour outside of Chicago. Fly in, we're an hour or a half hour outside of O'Hare International Airport. And yeah, come on, check the car out. We got nothing to hide here. So great car. I think you're absolutely going to love it. Check out all the pictures, details, and description on volocars.com.
So as I said earlier, it was body off frame restored. We have the pictures to prove that. The underbody is perfectly dry clean metal, painted a nice semi-gloss black. All of the suspension and steering was rebuilt, and it was actually upgraded with a Hotchkiss sport suspension. It just gives it some lowering springs, some gas shocks, fatter sway bar. In back it has all the boxed control arms, upper and lower, with gas shocks and a sway bar in the back as well. It has a nice sounding, little bit of a custom exhaust, has the X pipe in the back, stainless tips in back, X pipe in the middle. Disc brakes in front. A lot of Buicks were still running with drum brakes. All that's working fine. E-brakes hooked up. Fuel system looks like it was replaced. You look up at the motor, it's still nice and clean. You can see the fuel pump and the starter. All the components look real nice. These come with the Turbo 400. That's the heavier duty automatic. It is VIN number matched to this car. Still has the tag riveted to the side of it. That's 1970. So again, a numbers matching, very nice, very rare, very desirable car here. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, like how do you get this delivered to your door? How do you get it financed? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.